Amazing changes to the body when you consume oatmeal every single day. We often hear about breakfast being the most important meal of the day. Therefore, we need to make it as healthier as possible. Nutritionists are recommending oatmeal as one of the best choices you should consume in the morning. Oats are one of the healthiest grains on earth, which provides many health benefits. They have the ability to treat intestinal tract and neural disorders, pores and skin conditions, and uterine issues. Moreover, oats are loaded with vitamin B1, vitamin E, antioxidants, magnesium, phenolic acidity, selenium, copper, phosphorus, biotin, molybdenum, and so on. You should know that half a mug of oatmeal contains 13 grams of protein. Meanwhile, a 1/4 serving of oatmeal per day will give you the recommended daily intake of manganese. Eating oatmeal for breakfast will leave you feeling full, thus prevent weight gain and obesity. The glycemic index of oatmeal is lower, which means it will not affect the blood sugar levels in any way. After all, oatmeal reduces total calorie consumption during the day up to 80%. Thus, will stop you from overeating. Here are the amazing benefits when you consume oatmeal. Boosts the immune system. Controls the risk factor of cardiovascular disease and heart attack. Reduces the risk of breast cancer. Prevents asthma. Provides a good source of fiber. Lowers cholesterol levels. It is beneficial for people with celiac disease or even gluten intolerance. Controls blood sugar levels and reduces the chance of type 2 diabetes. Different ways you are able to prepare oats. Steel sliced oats. Finely sliced oat grains with a chewy and dense consistency. Instant oatmeal grains. Produced by partially cooking the grains and then rolling them very thin. Old-fashioned oats. Also called rolled oats, flat-formed and flaky. Oat bran. The final layer from the oat through under the hull. Oat groats. Unflattened kernels. Quick preparing oats. Prepared like outdated oats, however, sliced before being twisted. You should always try to consume less processed oats. You can add oats to your shakes, muffins, biscuits, and yogurt. Consume oatmeal every single day and experience the health benefits that will happen to your body.